So another tip for pregnancy, one being kind of turning over in bed or any kind of form of twisting. So everything's loosening off around the pelvis to give chance for childbirth. And what's going to happen is as the ligaments become more lax, we struggle for control, so the muscles end up trying to tighten to try and compensate, and the body's trying to compete with itself really. So things like pelvic girdle pain and so on can be more prevalent. Some people suffer with it more than others. But one thing that we can do is try not to kind of bring our knees apart too much. So even moving over in bed, we can find it quite difficult. We're on one side and we try to move over and we're trying to bring one leg up and bring the other one over. And actually it might be easier to go the other way. So I'm going to show you an example. First bit's not going to look very attractive. But if we're lying then on our side, I know sometimes I get quite stiff in the night at the moment and trying to move over and a kind of fairly soft mattress kind of good like that, and then I have to kind of wiggle around and it's kind of all quite difficult and awkward. So another way to be able to move across, which actually puts less pressure through our back, through our hips, through the groin, and also our bump as well. So as we lie to our back, it puts pressure on through tummy, can kind of put pressures coming up through lungs. So actually if we just push ourselves up, we can keep the knees together and we can come up onto the knees, shift ourselves across, and again tuck the knees underneath. So we're coming back into this position and then bringing ourselves back down again. So again, just pull these pillows up, bring it in joint neck, and if we've got another cushion we can rearrange it at the front. So one more time, so gently pushing yourself up, we've got our knees together, rolling ourselves up onto our knees, coming around and then lowering back down again. So that can be much easier. So hopefully that's a useful little hint or tip, just taking some pressure off again. And again, if you want any more information, you can find us at woodinsportstherapy.co.uk.